Okay, part two of the knee drama with my friend. Surgery went well. They went in there, they cleaned it out, flushed it out, and debrided it. But he has severe arthritis, which is softening of the tissue of the cartilage, severe arthritis in there, and they may not be able to get all the infection out. So he was referred to the joint team, and he had partial knee replacements. The only thing that does, y'all know me, I'm gonna keep it real. The only thing that does is buy you more time. They only last for about 5 years or so. If you're lucky, they'll last longer. But 5 years isn't a long time. So if he basically said if he had known at the time that it was only going to last 5 years, he would have just went ahead and got a total knee replacement. So that's what's going on there. He's referred to the joint team so they can talk to him about new hardware in the future and maybe in the near future, don't know. But yeah, that's what's going on. That's what's going on. So hope you guys are doing good, and I'll talk to you fine folks later. Bye.